Looking for a portable music player that goes beyond your phone? The JadeAudio FiiO JM21. High-res music player might just be the device for true audiophiles. Let's take a closer look. This player runs on Android 13 and is powered by the Snapdragon 680 processor, giving you smooth performance whether you're streaming music, managing files, or even using apps. It supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB DAC functions, making it versatile for wired and wireless listening. With up to 12.5 hours of playtime, it's built for long listening sessions without constant charging. So, what do people love about it? Many reviewers highlight the fantastic sound quality, saying it makes their lossless and high-res files come alive in ways that smartphones simply can't. The build quality is also praised: sleek, durable, and compact enough to carry anywhere. Audiophiles also appreciate that it can double as a USB DAC, improving sound when connected to other devices. But not everyone is thrilled. Some users mention that the battery life could be better for such a powerful device. While 12.5 hours is decent, heavy use can drain it faster. Others found that the interface, while based on Android, can sometimes feel a little sluggish when juggling multiple apps. And if you're coming from a standard streaming setup on your phone, the price may feel steep for what some might consider a niche gadget. Overall, the JadeAudio FiiO JM21 is receiving strong reviews from serious music lovers, but may not be for everyone. On Amazon, it currently holds an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars, showing that most users feel it delivers on its promise of high-quality portable sound. If you're interested, check out the special link in the description for pricing and availability. And as always, be sure to subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.